Hello students, welcome to the online class session of accountancy. In this online class session of accountancy, I will further proceed with the chapter financial statement with adjustment, which was started by me in the previous online class session. Okay. In the previous online class session, I explained you the format of trading account. Okay, that is how to make posting within the trading account. Okay, right, this format was provided by me related to trading account. Okay, just you take out your notebook where you have noted the same format of trading account. Okay, on the basis of the same format we are going to prepare the trading account of the question. Prepare a trading account for the year ended 31st March 2019 from the following balances. Okay. In the trading account, on the debit side, as already told to you, the things which are posted are OPD. O means opening stock, P means purchases, okay, that is net purchase. That is from purchases. When we deduct the purchase return amount, we will get the net purchase. Okay. Sales is shown on the credit side, already told to you, and from sales, when we deduct the sales return figure, then we get the net sales, and the same net sales is posted on the credit side of the trading account. Sales is opposite of purchases. Okay, if purchase is shown on the debit side, then where the sales will be shown? On the credit side. The same thing I explained you earlier also. Freight. Freight is shown on the debit side of trading account. That is the shipping charge. Okay. Wages also shown on the debit side of trading account. The remuneration which is provided to the factory workers. Okay. Now, factory lighting, all the factory expenses are shown in the trading account. So it will also be shown on the debit side of trading account. Coal, gas and water. It will also be shown on the debit side of trading account. Okay, keep in mind all the direct expenses which are incurred in order to manufacture the goods are shown on the debit side of trading account. So these are the direct expenses: freight, wages, factory lighting, coal, gas and water. Okay, direct expenses are those expenses which are incurred in order to manufacture the product. Okay, so all the expenses which are included in order to manufacture the product comes under the category of direct expenses and will be shown in the trading account. Okay, similarly all the indirect expenses will be shown in the next account known as PL account, profit and loss account. Right? Purchase return and sales return treatment I have already told you. Carries on purchase. Okay, all the expenses which are incurred in order to purchase the raw material is shown in the trading account, and when the product is ready within the factory premises, then all the expenses which are incurred in order to sell them comes under the category of indirect expense. So carries on sales will be shown in the PL account. Factory rent will also be shown on the debit side of trading account. Office rent will not be shown here. Only the factory expenses are shown in the trading account, and all the office expenses are shown in the PL account, profit and loss account. Okay, closing stock will be shown on the credit side of trading account. Okay, see the solution. This is the solution. Okay, what we have excluded? We have excluded what? Carries on sales and office rent. These two are excluded from here. Okay, some more portion of the solution is on the back. I am showing it. Just see. Carries on purchase, factory rent. Carries on sales will not be shown here. Okay, factory rent will be shown here. Office rent will not be shown. Okay, right. Now what do you need to do? You just add the credit side total. Do the credit side totaling. 24 plus 3, 27 lakh. And do the debit side totaling. 2 lakh plus 9 lakh, 40,000 plus 32,500, 1 lakh 50,000 plus 54,000 plus 11,000 plus 40,000 plus 2 lakh 20,000. And subtract both credit and debit side total. When you will subtract credit and debit side total, okay, if the credit side total exceeds the debit side total, then resultantly there will be a profit. Okay, because debit side shows the expenses and credit side shows the profit. Okay, if the credit side total is more, then the firm is in a profit and will be shown as gross profit. Okay, this is the balancing figure. Okay, when credit and debit side both are deducted from each other, and this answer will be further transferred to the next account, which is known as PL account. It will be explained to you later on. Okay, so this as a whole was the explanatory part to be explained to you. Okay, go through it and try to solve question number 1 and 2 of financial statement 1 from NCERT. Okay, and some more questions I will just share with you in the RPS 11 commerce group. Okay, you need to solve them also. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day.